Picture this, a serene room, the faint rustle of tools, and a single delicate toad, its tiny heart a pulsating testament to the wonders within. Welcome explorers to our scientific voyage.
We are Group 3, the fearless student nurses, ready to dive into a realm where science and wonder collide. Gear up with your lab gowns, goggles, and gloves, because in this thrilling activity, precision and care light our way. Prepare for an adventure where every heartbeat tells a story.
Did you know toads and humans share a strikingly similar anatomy? Both have a heart that pumps blood, lungs for breathing, and digestive tract to process food.
Meet our guide for today's adventure, Yasmin. Very demure, very poised, and very cutesy.
Our trusty tools, a scalpel, forceps, scissors, and a pithing needle, will assist us in exploring the inner works of our toad.
First, we begin with the pithing method. Firmly hold the toad, locate the soft spot in its head, and insert the pithing needle at a 90-degree angle. Gently rotate to paralyze the toad by disrupting its brain function. If there's movement, continue rotating the needle. Once paralyzed, pin the toad to the dissecting tray, ventral side up, securing each limb with dissecting pins. With the toad securely pinned, mark a vertical line from the mouth to the middle of the body and a transverse line just above the legs and below the arms.
Carefully lift the skin and cut along the lines with scissors. Each incision reveals a new layer of complexity and beauty, an intricate symphony of life.
As we open the body cavity, we're greeted with a remarkable view, the heart still beating. Surrounding it is the liver, a key player in detoxifying blood and producing bile.
Next, we find the lungs on either side of the heart and liver. Beneath the liver lies the gallbladder, which stores bile for digestion.
We continue with the stomach, which aids digestion, followed by the small intestine, where nutrients are absorbed. The large intestine, connected to the small intestine, absorbs water and forms fecal matter.
Finally, the fat bodies surrounding the organs provide insulation and energy reserves.
After our dissection, the specimen is respectfully wrapped and buried. Biohazard materials are safely disposed of.
Thank you for joining us on this dissection adventure. Stay curious and keep exploring life itself. Until next time!